I grew up in the bush in the rural Alaska, so there's no roads. The only way that you can get there is by airplane, by snowmobile, or boat during Thanksgiving time. Everyone is stuck. And so we had a family friend that would airdrop turkeys to my family and other families in the area for Thanksgiving. 3 years ago, I was out there and we went to visit our newest and closest neighbors that had moved out there, and they had just moved out the season before, and they were telling me that a squirrel for dinner did not split very far between three people. At that moment, I thought, I'm going to airdrop them a turkey because I had just finished rebuilding my first airplane with my dad. And it would have been super easy and simple just to surprise them and drop them a turkey. And then once I started preparing for that, I thought, I'm not going to leave anyone out in the area. I want to do that to everyone that lives out there and that's out there for, during freeze up and through the winter. So that's kind of how I got started. That was 2022. And every year I've dropped between 30 and 40 turkeys. My vision with this is to make it into a nonprofit organization where I can get funding and more support that I can reach more parts of Alaska, because there are so many families that live rural and that live off grid. We will buzz the house first, and so they know that there's a plane out there and they know it's us usually. And so they'll come out. We won't drop the turkey until we see them come out of the house or the cabin. And because if they don't see it fall, they're not going to know where to look. This year I found out there was 3 families that had kids in the area that I was dropping turkeys. And so I added something special to their turkey bomb. And in fact, when we were dropping them, I actually saw some of the kids' reactions. We were that close. We went really low to the ground, and I could see their excitement.